one of Sabo in BiafraLand, they say the guy don't come and agree with the Yoruba people, say that there is no sea or anywhere that Igbo people would have access to seaport in BiafraLand. But thank God for this our brother who come bend the neck well, because this one is another Ijele second in Igbo land. Pure Ijele second in Igbo land. And as all hands are pointing on this guy, this guy, you are going to get baga, because when people don't they gather they talk of you, you have to be very careful. But don't tell who the same message give this guy. But I say, they watch the video or they get the message, to be very careful and how you fight your own people. You cannot win a war against your own people. Only you can't. And you cannot castigate your people and bring your people aside. Even when you talk, all the hosting this guy is talking is included on it. But however, that's a matter for another day. We'll go bring the video, can show you. They say that one voice where they circulate on social media, say he don't find out the reason why Ifeanyi burial is delaying. I go play on the video. They say that because of say him be the one of the people wey go betray Mazin Ndigbo. Say as he stand right now that he will not be buried in his hometown unless they release Mazin Ndigbo. This is the allegedly what we are hearing on social media, which I bring the voice up for you here to hear as well. Okay, my people, let us watch this video from this our brother as he analyzing this Sabo from Igbo land, the actions he's taking and the things he's saying against the Igbo people. Let's watch the video before we come back and proceed.
This man within my screen must surely come out one day, can't tell when I say Yoruba people na betrayers them be. You see this man within my screen, he must surely come out one day, tell when I say Yorubas na betrayers them be. See, people they use their hand set themselves up. They go to say Yoruba people no wise. When I never understand the Yoruba tribe, that's why when I feel say them be betrayers. See, if you be a ritualist and a Yoruba man need money tomorrow, he can realize, okay, now only you feel provide them with that money. Despite the fact say you be ritualist, he go still come meet you, tell you say, bros, borrow me this money or make you give him money. If you give him that money finish, that don't mean say you no be ritualist again. No. If he come out see people way in love, he go still tell them say, see, stay clear of this person, a ritualist be, or if you borrow money today finish as a ritualist, you can't say, okay, may I come sleep for your house tomorrow. For where? You don't go sleep for your house because you go to fear you say, okay, you be ritualist. You borrow money, no mean say you not be ritualist again. Watch this video and I will explain to you very, very well.
Why is it that I went seaport either in Onitsha or in Port Harcourt or in Delta?
Igbos are the greatest Mugu in Nigeria. An average Igbo man is a Mugu, original Mugu. See, this thing they make me mad because we grew up hearing that Igbos are the smartest people in Nigeria. That's what they told us. Igbos are the smartest people in Nigeria. Only for me to find out that Igbos are the greatest Mugu. That they are the dumbest people in Nigeria. It is very easy to deceive an Igbo man. It is very easy to fool the Igbo man. Steer his emotion. Steer the emotion of the Igbo man and you will fool him. It is very easy to fool an Igbo man. Igbos are the greatest Mugu in Nigeria. Look at what this man is saying. And I've been seeing a lot of people in my comment sections and even in my inbox. Some people are bringing in argument that why is it that the federal government does not want to build a seaport in the east? Imagine somebody asking this kind of question. Why is there no seaport in Igbo land? How can there be seaport in Igbo land where there is no sea? Igbos no get sea. Igbos no get sea. And you are still demanding for seaport in Igbo land. Where do you expect that sea? I don't understand. I don't understand.
Before I explain further, first of all, this man lacks professionalism. Somebody come and come make video talk say, why are there no seaports in Onitsha or one other place where you call? If you want to react to this kind of video, just come as I thought, say, okay, what is this man saying? Is it possible for an Igbo state to have a seaport or Delta state to have a seaport? What do you want to think about this matter? You make your content without being in the middle. You make your content, you shift to one side, make people use their hand, discuss what's in there inside. Maybe say you can't come outside, they thought say all the whole Igbos are Mugu. Say they don't get sense. This one, it's not done. You understand? And again, people don't attack me on this man video for a very long time. I will go in page, watch all in videos. I don't want to have anything to do with this kind of guy or anything to do with his video. But this particular one, I just want to correct this thing because I notice say all in videos, they always be like this. And it don't make sense. You know why? I don't know if you are trying to build something with this type of content because it's not going to work. Even if you grow this your page with this kind of content, just get out for mind, say no brand go want get anything to do with you. If you want to get endorsement, you need to make your content to be entertaining. You can't, no brand will endorse person will get so many enemies because like this now, Igbos na giant for this country where we dey. Now you don't become enemy with almost 40 million Igbos. Even if all the whole Yoruba dey your side, they can never leave Whiskey, leave the video because you can't beat them in entertainment. They can never leave those guys come endorse you if they want to do anything. Let's say they get one company from BiafraLand where want endorse you, it's still not going to work. And guess what? If you are potential enemy of Ndigbo, nobody go want collaborate with you. You know what? Companies say if you go want endorse you, Igbos get purchasing power for this country. So now people want buy your stuff, want buy the company stuff. You don't be enemies with them. They can't endorse you. That company go lose customers. So if you are trying to build success with this kind of content, make it just to say you no go work. Now the reason why I talk say this man will come aside tomorrow, can't talk say Yoruba people na betrayers. Now because of say I watch some of your videos in dressed like a Yoruba man. Na Igbo man in bio, he's an Igbo man. They can't dress like Yoruba man. They cast Ndigbo. Yoruba people know say you are doing that thing to impress them, to get their attention. That is weird. That is the reason why when I go say them be betrayers. They know what you are doing. You don't have to dress like them. If you want to make your content, come outside with your full chest, can't do them. No dress like them. You get one of that guy too, he go dress like Yoruba man, they cast Ndigbo. You understand? So at the end of the day, you go talk say them be betrayers because when it's time for them to move on, then go move on because they know say you are just trying to impress them. Now I watch one of your video. I say your mom died. Instead of you to come outside, can't talk say okay my mom died though, just post the thing and go your way. You first of all start the video with Igbo people are bad, they are this, then do this one. Now after for the ending of the video, you can't also say your mom don't die, you can't put her poster there, say they bury her on the so day. Meaning say you want to make Yoruba people contribute to your mom burial. They don't go send you ₦1 and they no go come your mom burial. Nobody send you this work where they do so. I know some of you go talk say me if I don't do this kind of thing before. When I do this kind of thing, I do it for Igbo women because Igbo women come and comment section, they insult the whole of Yoruba tribe. Me say I can't turn back, give them basketballs that period. And everything when I talk for those videos, not truth. Some Igbo people say message me, countless of Igbo people message me, tell me say guy, this thing not true too, and we need to make adjustment. I make sure I stand by the truth. That period itself, some people come tell me to say if I don't make videos concerning Igbo women, say me I no go trend. I say maybe say content for this my head. I can't do normal content aside tribes or Igbo women. I get more views, more likes. Because all these tribe videos will give you 60,000 views, 30,000, 20,000, then likes feel like 5,000, 3,000, sometimes 1,500. When I make normal video, that and I hit my first 1 million view, and I get 100 and something thousand likes. Favorites reach 10,000. Shares reach 8,000 shares. Some of my videos have the favorites go there like 6,000 favorites, 7,000 favorites. When I make videos, will be say I carry everybody along.
This guy need to go back to primary school if care don't take nursery school to study more and also study Igbo land where he claimed that he come from. Igbo land have direct access to seaport, more than seaport in 5 Igbo states. If you can drill our river areas that have access to sea, will have more than seaport. Five indeed that will get access to the high sea. So this guy need to go back to school and study more about Igbo land. They are trying to say we are landlocked, but when we prove them wrong, they don't have any other thing propaganda. Before you be hearing landlocked, they are not using that word again because they know now that Igbos have more, even Igbos have a shorter total access to sea more than any country. Go and verify this thing that I'm telling you. Earlier last year, I made a video concerning this thing, where this one is pure research. They went to the sea, to those rivers, show us the proof, and show us that we have the shortest access to the seaport. We're not talking of Yoruba, this in Calabar Seaport or Port Harcourt. We are talking the one you can find in Anambra, in Abia State, in Imo State. That's where we are talking. But people don't know about this thing. So this guy should be very, very careful the way he talk against his own people. That's my message for this particular guy. I said this into Ijele. He say, bring that Mugu down, bring that Mugu down. Today, where is Ijele? I say, Ijele, you are very close. This guy is very close of something that will bring him outside and someone will pick him up. My people, let us listen to this alleged voice of why Ifeanyi Ubah have not been buried. Listen.
Ifeanyi Ubah na-akwabeghị ya. According to information, otu ozi si wee ruo anya ka a na-akọwa dat na n'ozu Ifeanyi Ubah nọ na ndọrọ that na ndị Nnewi si na agaghị ebunatarụ ha Ifeanyi Ubah. Wee na-ajụ gịnị mere, wee na-asị dat na Ifeanyi Ubah jikwe wee maa alụ. That na Ifeanyi Ubah na before na-ebunata Ifeanyi Ubah akwa Ifeanyi Ubah na Nnewi. That na Ifeanyi Ubah ya ejeje kpọtara anyị Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Ifeanyi Ubah ya ejeje kpọnatara ha Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Si amara Ifeanyi Ubah mara ebe ọ hapụrụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu with ndị otie. Eje kpọnata Maazị Nnamdi Kanu before na-ebu ozi ya anata abịa enyi na Nnewi be nne. Mana ọ bụrụ na o je kpọnata Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na agaghị enyi. So as I'm speaking to you people now, ozi Ifeanyi Ubah dị na ndọrọ ihe a na-ewi na South East niile. Everybody na-ekwu maka this particular thing that Ifeanyi Ubah na-agaghị akwa na nke ọzọ until na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu apụta na ọha lelu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. That na ọ bụrụ that na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu apụta agaghị ebunata ozu Ifeanyi Ubah bịa nie ya na Nnewi. So nya ka a na-adọ kemgbe iwọchi efu that na otego eji wee kwesị ka akwa Ifeanyi Ubah, but because of one thing or the other, because of akụkọ akịta nke ọrụ ọnụ na wee sị that na agaghị akwa Ifeanyi Ubah until na oje kpọpụtara anyị Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. So wee na-ajụzi si that na-eche na Ifeanyi Ubah ejiwurugo ọnụ ya pụta na BBC bịa kwuo that na aka ya adịghị n'ihe mere Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, na-enweghị ike ịfụcha ihe ọjọọ ga-eme nwanne si ka o mee ya. That is gbachite nkịtị ka ihe ọjọọ ahụ mee nwanne. Ọ pụtara na BBC bịa taa ụkwa jaa eze. But nke amaghị m according to otu o si kwu, na-afụta ya nọ na-ekwu eziokwu. Amaghị m ma eziokwu ka ọ na-ekwu ka ọ na ọ bụrụ eziokwu ka ọ na-ekwu, because na abụghị m ama, that is amachanụ m ihe niile. Sọsọ nyanwa na onwe ya maara ma aka ya ọ dị n'ihe mere Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na aka ya adịghị n'ihe mere Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, because na ọ pụtara na BBC bịa kwuo okwu kwụsie okwu ike ọnụ siri ike mgbe ọ na-ekwu ya bụ okwu iji gosi that na ọ dị ka ọ na-ekwu eziokwu according to him. But kịta anụ ọ bụrụ na Ifeanyi Ubah na-ekwu eziokwu, ka ezi ihe meziri ndị Nnewi ji wee sị na agaghị ebunata ozu Ifeanyi Ubah, that na o so wee betray Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. So ihe a bụ the reason why ejibe wee kwa Ifeanyi Ubah. Akachakwa dat na ya akwa ya n'Ọgọst, akagharịa na aga akwa ya na Ọktoba, ọgharịa na aga aka ya na Nọvemba, kagharịa otu a ka esi akagharị ozu Ifeanyi Ubah ruo ma today. So mụnwa amarọ. On that note, ọ bụrụ dat na Ifeanyi Ubah, ọ bụrụ na ndị Nnewi je chekie, ọ bụrụ na aka Ifeanyi Ubah dị ọcha n'ihe mere Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, ha hapụnụ ka akwa Ifeanyi Ubah ka mkpụrụ obi eje zuru ike. Maka na ịdọ ozu ya ndọrọ ma o nwere ka ọdụ ha ji echekie. Enwere lot of places ebe a na-eje echeki eje jụọ ese ihe, that is ihe afa kwuoro ewe they will not take it from there. Ọ bụzikwa na ha jụọ na-ese ewe gwa ha that na aka dị n'ihe mere Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na den sabi na sa take here na sa akonde tell una. So biko na ụmụnne m, amakwa m ka a ga-esi kwuo onye nke a ukwu wara ahụ, amakwa m ka a ga-esi wee mee ka emesịa na ụmụ Chineke.
If you are from the same community with Ifeanyi Ubah and you are watching my video here on this platform, please tell us if this thing they are saying is true, or not, because some information like this, we want to be setting the records straight the way it's supposed to be. So if you are from that particular side and this is true, let us, yes, this is what is trending there is true, so that we'll also tell our people that this information is true. I said allegedly. Guys, please share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section as it dey hot.